Welcome to another video from Masunt. In this video guide, we will show you how to easily bypass your E-code key safe with an extra 9-volt battery when the battery is empty and open the lock again. If the battery is completely flat, the lock can no longer be opened. In this case, you can use an external battery to open the masunt E-code safe. Please take a 9-volt block battery and use it to temporarily supply the lock with power. Pay attention to the alignment of the positive and negative pole. Hold the contact points of the 9-volt block battery to the red and blue LEDs on the lock. The positive pole must touch the red LED and the negative pole the blue LED of the safe. Wait until the LEDs light up briefly. This indicates that the battery is correctly positioned. It may take a few attempts to find the correct angle for the battery. If necessary, hold the battery at a slight angle and try again if the LEDs do not light up. Now enter the master code. It is important that the battery remains firmly attached to the contacts during the entire process of entering the code. The motor retracts the locking bolt after the code has been entered and you can open the masunt E-code key safe again. After opening the safe, please replace the batteries immediately to avoid future problems. Use high-quality lithium batteries to ensure a long service life. Attention! If the LEDs flash continuously after the battery has been replaced, this signals the loss of the date and time settings. Follow the instructions in the manual to reset the date and time, otherwise the battery will discharge again within a short time. Your safe is now ready for use again and will provide you with secure protection for a long time to come. Thank you for watching and see you next time, your masunt team.